The best mobile under 40,000 rupees, in fact 37,000 rupees, that is the iQOO 7 Legend. So yeah, this is a extreme powerful mobile which we can buy under 40,000 rupees. So let's start so I will explain each and every single feature of this mobile in this video. Let's take a look. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.6 inches of bigger display, and it is a full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR 10 plus certified display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, I think. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this is the major important thing, that this is the only mobile which comes with a triplet processor under 40,000 rupees. This mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon triplet 5G 5nm base processor. It is a octa-core processor clocked at 3.2 GHz. And when we talk about the variants, yeah, this mobile is also beast in this variant section also. This mobile will be available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM, 128GB and 12GB 256 internal storage variants. We may not get a expanded memory slot with this mobile, but these are UFS 3.1 storages and LPDDR5 RAMs. So this is the only mobile at that price point which has LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 and triplet processor under 40,000 rupees. So this combination makes this mobile is the highest scored mobile in Antutu score. That is almost 8,32,000 rupees, 32,000 score. And right now I'm using iQOO 3. When I have to upgrade from this iQOO 3 to iQOO 7 Legend, I think this is a complete upgrade from this iQOO 3, because this iQOO 3 has a 160 refresh rate display, and it does not have that stereo speakers and basically the processor. So this mobile have all that features which iQOO 3 does not have. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this may be a gaming centric mobile, but they have not compromised in the camera section. So this mobile comes with a beast camera setup at the rear side, where you can find 48 megapixels of main wide angle with OIS, and 13 megapixels of ultra wide and 13 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. So the camera performance was also nice in this mobile. I'm saying this after watching a lot of reviews from the other YouTubers. So this mobile also comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, like the same like the iQOO 3. And when we talk about the 5G, yeah, 5G is not a gimmick in this mobile. This mobile does comes with a 7 5G bands. Yes, 7 bands. At this price range, not even a flagship mobile like OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro 9R does not have this much of brands where this mobile have those. Yeah, when it comes to battery, yeah, this mobile needs I think this battery is a little slower battery, little lower battery. That is a 4000 milliamp hours of battery, but it supports 66 watts of fast charge. And according to the fast charging, yeah, this mobile battery is good. Because this is a triplet processor, is a power efficient processor because of the 5nm technology. So yeah, I would say that is a plus point. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a FunTouch OS 11 based on Android OS 11, Android version 11. And this mobile also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock IDs also. This mobile does not have 3.5mm jack. Instead, this mobile has stereo speakers. So yeah, that is a plus point. And this mobile also comes with a high-res audio certification also. And this mobile comes with a 4D vibration, which a gamer needs a lot. And this mobile also comes with a separate gaming section, which is called as ultra game mode, which you can customize anything to any game. And this mobile has some minus features from the iQOO 3, that is 8 triggers. Yeah, this mobile does not have 8 triggers like the iQOO 3. And this mobile also comes with a glass back and metal frame and glass front. This mobile has also have leather type of finish, that is a BMW edition thing, that is we call as Legend in India. And this mobile will be available in 4 colors in India. Those are black, grey, white and Legend, that is a BMW edition color. So, and when we talk about the pricing, yeah, this is the major important section we need. This mobile was released at 39,990 rupees, not even 40,000, 10 rupees less than the 40,000. And this mobile we can get this mobile if we pre-order this mobile using ICICI credit and debit cards and some exchange offers. We can get this mobile under 36,000 rupees. So at that price point, even if you have 40 to 45,000 rupees, I will suggest you this mobile, because this mobile comes with a lot of features, included the which a gamer needs and which a media consumer needs, which a videographer and photographer needs. So yeah, I would say this mobile is the best. So that's it for the video, and I will be willing to buy this mobile in the description box down below, so you can buy it from there directly through that link. And by the way friends, subscribing to this channel would be amazing, and join the